Hey YouTube, come along with me today to clean my fridge, and it is a disaster. You know, having children, they go in and out of the refrigerator. We just got back into a scheduled system, but come along with me for this amazing transformation. So this fridge definitely needed to be cleaned desperately, and Sunday I'm going to be doing a grocery haul, so stay tuned for that and come back and see us. The best part of cleaning is watching it go from total chaos to complete cleanliness all in one go, and I hope that this motivates you to be able to clean your fridge. I'm sharing real life moments with you guys, probably things that not everybody sees, and you know what? More people don't do that enough. Sometimes we feel like our dirt and clutter defines us, and it really doesn't. It actually makes us stronger, because we can watch the mess transform into something amazing and feel accomplished and goal-driven. So I encourage you today, if you feel that way, go tackle that mess. You'll feel so much better once you do. I can see the fire that we made just to save us when we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know. If you like this video, I have tons of motivational videos on my channel for you to check out. I know you'd enjoy each one of them. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. As you're watching, if you're not subscribed already, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click the subscribe button, turn on all notifications. That way you can receive future notifications of videos in the future. I absolutely love making new friends, so if you want to comment down below and let me know your thoughts on anything, feel free to do so, and I always respond back. Speaking of friends, I have a YouTube friend on here named Jen. Her channel is Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. You guys should really check her out. She does great videos. This just gives me so happy of a feeling that I was able to get all this done, and I want you to express and have that feeling for yourself. So if you needed this, thank you for watching.